Greetings, my name is Michael, and today I will be teaching you how to order your textbooks and merchandise on the Commodore Books More website. So first you will want to go to the Commodore Books More homepage. Here at the top of the page you will see several tabs. The ones dealing with merchandise and textbook are as follow: textbooks, merchandise, technology, culinary, and welding. If you mouse over textbook, it will drop down into three other tabs. The one that you will need is View Books. Mousing over merchandise, you will see several options down covering things from bar charts, LCC, and partnership merchandise, all the way to nursing supplies. In the Technology tab, you will notice options for PCs, Apple products, and other electronic devices. Culinary is where you will go for your cooking supplies and your culinary jackets. Lastly, the Welding tab is where you will locate your supplies for the welding program, such as welding kits. So let's begin by clicking on the View Books, located under the Textbook tab. Once you have done that, you will see three drop-down menus and a large white square to their right. The Select Term menu is where you will highlight the term you are currently looking up books for. It always defaults to the current LCC term, but will also show the partnership term, and late enough into the semester will show the next term. The Select Department menu will contain all the abbreviations of the different classes. For example, if you are in a chemistry class, you will want to look for CHMY. You will be able to locate the abbreviations on your schedule. Lastly is the Course and Section menu. Here you will find the course number and section number for your class. They will be in numerical order and then in order by section for classes that have more than one section. This too will be found in your class schedule. Once you have selected your term, department, course, and section, you will then want to press the Add Course button. You will notice the information will be put into the white box. You can then add more classes or just look up each class one at a time, whichever is easier for you. Then select Get Course Material. This will take you to a new page where you will see all listed material for your class. Under the image of the book, you will see Required, Optional, Study Aid, Ebook, or Choose Either. Required is, as it suggests, required for the class. Optional are books that will help you in the class but not needed to take it. The study aid books are usually bar charts, which are mostly targeted at assisting you in your studies. Ebooks are access codes that, when entered into a website, allow you to access a digital copy of the textbook. Lastly, with Choose Either, you will have an option between two or more books. The books are the exact same, it's more of a matter of format. For example, a bound book or a loose leaf book. Not only will you be able to select the books you want, you will also be able to select your preferred condition, and with some books if you want to rent them. Both of these will determine the price. Not all books come available as a rental option or as used. Once you have decided on the books you want, all you have to do is click the Add to Cart button, and they will be selected for purchase. Next, we will take a look at purchasing merchandise. As previously stated, merchandise is divided into four main categories and then divided into subcategories. Once you have found the item you want in the category, you will then select the quantity of that item you want. Then you will click Add to Cart button. As you add items to your cart, you will notice in the top left of the page there is a shopping cart. That will give you a total for all items selected. You can click on the icon anytime you want to make any changes to your shopping cart. After all items are selected and added to your cart, you will need to click on the cart icon. Here you will be able to make any last-minute changes to your order. While here, you will also need to select your preference for your books. This is simply restating if you wanted used or new books. We will always try to get your preference, but if it is not available, then we will fill the order with the available version of the book. Here you can also double check the quantities. Once all of this has been taken care of, you can click Continue Checkout button. If you have textbooks on your order, you will be taken to a menu where you will be prompted to select if you want your order updated if there are any changes to the class. Also, one last chance to change your preference of the book. Also, there will be an agreement box you will need to check once you have read the statement. Click the Continue Checkout button. Here you'll be asked to log in. If you have never ordered books with us before, you will have to create an account. This is done by selecting the Register Here link. Students will want to select the Create Account for Browsing and Shopping option. You will then need to fill out all required fields. Now is a good time to pause the video while you fill out this information. Okay, now that you have filled out all the information, you can click the Register button. Once you do this, you will be prompted to log in. Once you log in, you will see a series of boxes you need to fill in. Once you log in, you will see a series of boxes you will need to fill in. After you have filled in the entire section, address. You will then need to select a shipping address or to pick up at store. After your selection, you will be taken to the next section. If you still have questions about the ordering process, feel free to contact us at bookstore@lorainccc.edu. Thank you and have a wonderful day.